Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to deposit money on Bitmart, episode 29 in our series. If you're new to Bitmart or just need a quick refresher, this guide will get you up and running in no time. Bitmart is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that makes it easy to buy, sell, and trade digital assets, but first, you need to fund your account. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Make sure you have a Bitmart account. If you don't, head over to the Bitmart website and sign up. It's straightforward. Just provide your email, create a password, and verify your account via email or phone. Security is key in the crypto world, so enable two-factor authentication right away. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallet or Deposit section, usually found in the top menu. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options for different deposit methods, like fiat currency, such as USD or EUR, or cryptocurrencies. Next, select your preferred method. For fiat deposits, you might use a bank transfer, credit card, or even services like SEPA. Bitmart will guide you through the process. Enter your payment details carefully to avoid any errors. If you're depositing crypto, copy the provided wallet address and send your funds from another wallet. Don't skip this. If it's your first time, you may need to verify your identity. Upload the required documents, like ID or a proof of address, to comply with regulations. This step ensures your account stays secure and helps prevent fraud. After you initiate the deposit, sit tight. Processing times vary. Fiat might take a few minutes to a couple of days, while crypto deposits are often instant. Once it's confirmed, you'll see the funds in your Bitmart wallet. And that's it. You're now ready to start trading on Bitmart. Remember, always double-check details and keep an eye on fees to maximize your investments. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.